Alright guys, we're currently in a bunker. There's a swirl thing right there. It's weird. Then there's this one. Interesting. Alright guys, welcome to Outdoor Adventures guys. We are out on an adventure. We are on the Orange Line heading downtown. We got Emilio with me.
Gang gang.
Alright guys. Keep going, keep trying. Keep going.
No, just do it around the train.
Oh, just start throwing it. Oh, look, you got it guys.
Go back.
Hey guys, he got it, brah. Look at that, awesome.
Gang gang.
Come on. Huh? What? Oh. This is pretty normal for me to do this. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey guys, look what we did. We're on the holiday train. Let's just go on it for one ride, yeah? My bad, Milo. Dream finally came true. What? I've never been on one. Let's go to Santa Claus is over there. Like on the back. No, look, there's a guy standing there. There's a CCA worker. Look at this, guys. Alright guys, we are gonna get off and see if we can see Santa, get some pictures of him. I think they're gonna take longer too. Look, so many people are lining up. It's awesome.
This is Halsted. Welcome aboard the Orange Line holiday train. Welcome aboard.
Santa!
Ashland will be next, riders. Ashland will be next.
Santa Claus! Santa!
Say bye!
Alright guys, this is filming, bruh. I saw, you know Connie's?
Yeah, Connie.
Connie knows, it's over there.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Connie's is, guys, Connie's on Archer's set up for Christmas.
Would you go over there?
What, Connie's?
When you were a kid, did you go over there?
Yeah, tons, all the time. If you guys know where Connie's is at on Archer, by in kind of Bridgeport, Chinatown area, that's where the good deep dish pizza is pretty good there. Yeah.
Santa.
We started chanting. Santa. All right, guys, they gave us some of this. Pretty cool. We're gonna catch our other train back to downtown. Because the other one was going onto this train, onto the Santa train, was an impulse decision by me. Milo had to follow me because we're sticking together. It's a light. Yeah. I broke it. I got a cone with me. Just picked it up, random. It's one of these types of cones. So, yeah. We're downtown. We're gonna go see the tree. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoying this. We're just chilling with the cone. So our plan is we're gonna take a picture with it on the side. Yeah. You know what's always interesting about being a YouTuber, Emilio?
What?
Is people stare at you they look at you weird because you're staring at a camera. That's what you do for a living. And that's what I do. I mean, I don't make money off YouTube yet, but I'm just saying it's just a little weird staring at a camera in public. But you know what? It is part of the job, man. That's what it is. So, yeah. All right, guys, we made it. We're at the tree. Is this a tree? This is a tree, right?
Yeah.
It was a long line. We just skipped it because, you know, Chicago. We just gotta find out other ways to get in. Yeah, Emilio. First thoughts on the tree. What do you think?
I don't know.
It's a tree.
Yeah.
It's a bright tree. Yeah. Same here. That's what I think. It's a big bright tree. Guys, we got Emilio right there. He's right there running. Keep taking pictures. Right there. We got a helicopter right there, chilling. I'm gonna get the call sign and pull that all the way up from flight radar 24. Jeez, Emilio, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go get him. Bruh, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right, guys, we made it. We're going to Maggie Daly Park. We're currently on the Swirly Bridge to Maggie Daly. Pretty cool. Awesome. It's a whole mission. Shh.
Make room for me.
Bro, what? Come on, I gotta get up here for. Come on. Whew. Oh, can't go down the slide, but dope view. I think we're definitely too old to be up here. Nice view of the city, guys. All right, guys. Sorry, Milo. All right, guys. Milo's gonna go. All right.
Let's go.
Wait up.
You're going up? You're going up?
No. I go.
Where to go?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm filming.
You're filming?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay, it's just a prank.
Okay.
You're getting pranked.
Ha ha ha.
Let's go! Whee!
You just got pranked. How do you feel about that?
I got pranked, bruh.
No. Yeah.
Dude, stop. Dude, stop.
Oh, yeah.
What's he doing? What are you doing? All right, we gotta go, bruh.
Oh, man.
Keep going, go. You go first now. We're trying to go see another slide. Probably closed. We're just checking it out. Is it closed? Are you
Oh, it's not cool. Oh, wait. It is?
Is it? Moment of truth.
No, it's not up.
It's not closed?
No.
Oh, heck yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
What?
You wanna go together?
How do you spin this? Oh. Oh yeah, you guys know what these are?
Like a tornado, right?
Yeah. They still got water in here, that's surprising. That's why they haven't leaked it for. It's already been.
Want to leak it?
How do you? How would you suggest that?
By just leaking it?
People have already hit it.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Probably hit with something hard.
Alright, let's go.
Hey man. Go.
Go.
Bro, why do you say that? You're making my job a whole lot harder. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, that's fun. Yo, we gotta do that again. We're doing that again.
Yeah.
Come on. Nah, come on. He's sailing. What the heck? Alright, I'm gonna sail. You steer. You sit down. Sit down.
No. You steer, and I'm gonna try to stay balanced.
Okay.
Ready? No.
Wait. Here. Oh shit!
I think it's broken. Yeah, it's broken from here.
Where?
From here.
Oh yeah. It's fine. It's so it's functional.
Oh, you stay on one side, I stay on the other. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, jump a little. Like keep, like that. Jump a little. No, like this, like seesaw. No, like jump. I jump and then you jump.
I'm gonna break my.
Yes, bro. Come on. You're gonna break a bone. Jump. Ah, fuck. Oh shit! Okay, let's do that.
Here, we're gonna do this. We're gonna set you guys down. Come on. Extra leg from the Volta. We're gonna do something goofy. You guys can see this?
So you don't see them barcades on that floor, right?
Oh, my bad. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you don't see the barcade? Bruh. No way I'm going that way. That ends, no, we're going this way. Look at this, guys. Rotting wood, and they expect you to... That's a hazard right there. Whatever, let's keep going, guys. This way. Milo! No, every time I put the light, I can't see anything because it's like, what? Bruh. So you don't see them things yet? Bruh. Complete. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're Emilio. Alright. Go out for adventure. Be safe. Alright. Peace out. Bye.